tenderness. We'll walk upon the water, we'll rise above the mist with a little peace and some harmony. We'll take the world together, we'll take them by the hand. 'Cause I got a hand for you. Oh, I wanna run with you. Yesterday I saw you standing there. Your head was down, your eyes were red. No comb, I touched your hair. I said get up and let me see you smile. We'll take a walk together, walk the road a while. 'Cause I got a hand for you, I got a hand for you. I wanna run with you. Won't you let me run with you? Yeah. Hold my hand. Want you to hold my hand. Hold my hand. I make you do a place where you can be anything you wanna be, because I wanna love you the best that I can. You see, I was wasted and I was wasting time till I thought about your problems, I thought about your craft. Then I stood up and then I screamed aloud. I don't wanna be part of your problems, don't wanna be part of your crowd, no. 'Cause I got a hand for you, I got a hand for you. 'Cause I wanna run with you. Won't you let me run with you? Hold my hand. Want you to hold my hand. Hold my hand. I'll take you to the promised land. Hold my hand. Maybe we can change the world, but I wanna love you the best that I can. Yeah. Let me run, won't you let me hold my hand. Want you to hold my hand. Hold my hand. I'll take you to a place where you wanna be. Anything you wanna be, because oh no 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 no. Hold my hand. Want you to hold my hand. Hold my hand. I'll take you to a promised land. Maybe we can change the world, but I wanna love you the best that I can. Oh, best that I can.